If you're experiencing a verification pending status with the Unison Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Unison Bank. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Unison Bank account using your credentials. Look for any notifications or lists that may provide further details about the verification process. Step 3. Provide required documentation. If the bank has requested specific documents for verification, gather and submit them promptly. This may include identification, proof of address, or other relevant paperwork. Step 4. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any required information or documents, allow some time for the bank to process your verification. You should receive a confirmation email once your account status is updated. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status efficiently. If issues persist, don't hesitate to follow up with customer support for further assistance.